Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be making a centerpiece that's more of a garden style. And I wanted, since it's April, wanted to do like a bulb garden. And originally I started this project thinking I would use fresh tulips, fresh bulbs, hyacinths, stuff like that. But that kind of fell through. So I'm just going to do it in artificial flowers, and I'm going to start by using some dry foam that I got at Hobby Lobby. You can get that big pack, relatively inexpensive. I think it might have been like $4 or something like that. I'm going to wire it in using a chenille stem, but you could hot glue it too if you wanted to. If you do end up using fresh, you could of course plant the bulbs right into a basket, or if you wanted to nestle them into some oasis foam that's for fresh flowers, you can kind of push them down into some wet oasis foam. And then you can set it up the same way with a chenille stem locking in the block. Of course, wouldn't be able to hot glue wet foam because it just would not stick. So the idea here is to arrange the flowers like you would find them growing in the garden. So I'm going straight up and down, some tall, some shorter, and rather than original arrangements like a bouquet where you want all the stems to penetrate from one center point, this one is just straight across. So using a container that is long and skinny, kind of like this basket, really works well. You could also, of course, do round ones if you want to and just set them up the same way. But I'm just arranging them like you would see them in a garden. So some will have a bend to their tops, trying to get to the sunlight around the others. You could also mix and match different bulbs together. Try to make it more stuff that you would see in the same season. So maybe shy away from like stargazer lilies and tulips because you don't tend to see them growing at the same time. And now just to give it a little bit more interest, jazz it up a bit, I'm using some artificial pussy willow here that I'm having a terrible time trying to cut apart. You can also use fresh too. Thing wouldn't get apart there, which is really nice. Or you could just use regular willow. Doesn't have to have the little fuzzies on them. But by doing this, it will make the arrangement appear larger and give it a bit more interest. So if this is a April wedding, or if you have like a spring theme, this works out kind of neat. And I'm just gathering them in the middle so that it makes an arch above the tulips. So as I said, it adds a little bit of interest to the arrangement itself. It's really easy and simple to do, but it also makes it appear bigger without blowing your budget on it. So it's just a few stems, relatively inexpensive and really super easy to put together. ahead and added some moss around the base of the tulips, and now I'm just filling in with the greenery along the outside of the basket itself to kind of fill in and cover the foam at the bottom. But there we go. It's our finished centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching.